Hello friends, welcome to my channel Analog Digital Academy. Friends, today I am going to discuss the selection of diode. In this video, I will discuss the simple diode selection and its parameter. So this is the DGKey site. You can open this by the putting the DGKey in the Google search. So here I will enter diode. You can enter here if you know any manufacturer number yeah DGKey part number, so you can enter. So it will take you direct to that component. So I enter the diode. So here it is showing simple diode and 57019 number of diode is available, rectifier diode. I click here. So first simply it will show some diodes with different manufacturer and different parameters like 1 ampere, 200 milliampere and 100 volt, 400 volt, because you did not select the parameters of diode. So now we will select the parameters of diode as per our requirement. So as you can see, some parameters is common for every components. Like manufacturer, you can select manufacturer, which manufacturer you want to select. Packaging, you don't need to take so much tension about packaging. Series also not need to select. And active, here you can select the active mode. And there is a two mode more dominated, active and obsolete. Active means that component is in the market and it is being manufactured by the uh, manufacturer presently. But obsolete means that that component may be in the market but it has become, its manufacturing has closed by the manufacturer, but it can be available in the market. So because some old stock will be in the market but the manufacturing has been closed. So here diode type, you can select diode type, field effect rectifier diode, या Schottky diode. You can select here diode type. So here you can select in the diode mostly diode incorporated and microchip and on semiconductor, and Nexperia also on semiconductors, and TI also very famous in the diode. You can select any particular company. So I did not select anything. You can select like diode incorporated. You can select light fuse also very good in the diode. You can select like clicking on the company and you can clear the selection also. So I did not select anything here because I don't think it is required, because it is depend on our features, what feature and which company providing the right package and right small package. So we will select it later. So here I have selected active and don't need to select this, and here I select standard diode. So it is showing here number of quantity, it will show here, and after the selection all the parameters we will apply the filters. So these are the more filters, more parameters you can select here. Here DC reverse voltage, you know about the diode. So reverse voltage means cathode positive and anode negative. So that is called reverse voltage. Maximum 50 volt can withstand. And average rectifier current. So now you can also pay attention here. Now I have selected 50 volt. So its number of parts has been reduced. Quantity has reduced. It is reduced and increased as per the your parameter selection. Now average forward current. So I select here 1 ampere. I select 1 ampere. So here number 446 remaining. Now I select the forward current, forward voltage. So forward voltage, what forward voltage generally when the current increase in the diode, and so forward voltage is also increase. When current through the diode decrease, so forward voltage is also decrease. It is not stable. 0.7 volt silicon diode 0.7 volt forward voltage, but it is on 100 milliampere या 50 milliampere. When the current increase, so this forward voltage also increase up to 1.5 volt या 1.2 volt. This is as per the data sheet. So we will select here. We selected here this. So here is 0 remaining. There is no this component. Now I will select something more. No component. So this forward voltage at 200 millivolt is not available. It is showing like this. Now I think if I select more than 800, so it will be show some component. 8 more than 800 at 1 ampere. So it will show some component. I selected 800 millivolt at 10 milliampere. What is the meaning of this? At 10 milliampere through the diode, the dropping voltage will be 0.8 volt या 800 milliampere. This is the meaning of this. And at 1 ampere also same 800 milliampere. I select this. It will show some quantity or not. It is not showing here. Quantity is not showing. I will have to go up. Now I select. We have selected 1 ampere for already forward current, so we should select the 1 ampere. So it is not showing, so we go more up. It is not showing, and if you go more up, 850 millivolt at 1 ampere, it is not showing. Now I go to more. One volt. We will see 1 volt at 1 ampere. So it will, yeah, it has 103 remaining component. So what is the meaning of this? At 1 ampere current, its dropping voltage will be 1 volt. This is the meaning of this. Now we will talk about the speed. Speed should be, it is depend on your application. What all the parameters depend on your application. For what parameter, for what application you are using. You are using for simple uh, reverse protection, yeah, simple DC bus, so you can, there is no need for speed something like this. But if you are using the PL, yeah, PLL, yeah, at the output side of the SMPS, so speed matter there, speed, capacitance, a lot of uh, things matters there. So here is the fast recovery, more speed equal to 500 nanosecond या उससे कम या मे बी less than that, and no require. So here we doesn't matter about this small signal. For small signal any speed can work, and standard recovery, it is something more than 500 standard something. So it will be costly, it will be less costly, it will be medium costly. So for application, depend on your application what you want to select. For SMPS you need to select this standard या fast mode, because at SMPS output side, because switching frequency of transformer and MOSFET is more, so with that switching output voltage transfer, so the output side more speed diode is selected, but in the input side rectifier less speed diode you can select, because there is only 50 hertz frequency. So you can select here small signal, yeah, standard for the low simple application. So I don't need to select, by the way, this it is showing 25. If I select this, it is showing 0. If I select this, it is showing 78. If I select this, it is showing 0. So we can select this fast mode, yeah, standard mode. Okay, generally clear it will select simple if I clear it, because the software will understand you are going for the simple application. Now the reverse recovery time. What is the reverse recovery time? When the diode go to off condition from on condition, so this the diode takes some times to go to from on condition to off condition. This time is called reverse recovery time. It should be minimum, but it is not minimum. There is a capacitance in the diode. So when the diode go to from on condition to off condition, the capacitor takes some time for discharging. So this time is called reverse recovery time. It should be minimum for high application, high frequency application, and Schottky diode having this minimum time than simple diode. So here you can select it nanosecond 3 4 nanosecond for simple application. In nanosecond you can select up to 10 nanosecond, but high frequency application you need to select more less time. So here I don't select anything. I select if I select 4 nanosecond, so what will be the number of 0? It is showing 0. So it is you will have to select like this. You have to select it like this. So then you will get the component here. So I did not select here because it does not matter me, because I am selecting for simple application. Current reverse leakage when the reverse voltage at the diode, so there will be the reverse current when cathode is positive than the anode, so there will be reverse current. It should be minimum. So you can select here in nano ampere. If you select in pico ampere, so it will be costly, diode will be so costly, so it can be selected as per your application. In battery backup project, it should be minimum. You can select pico ampere, because in battery there will be the waste of battery. So as per your requirement you can select here. If I will have to select here, and then I will have to see the quantity here. It will take some time and video will be long. So you can select any here. It is showing 0, then you will have to select other. So you can select here, but if you don't found that component in this, so you can also mail the DG key directly personally to provide that component. They will provide capacitance also should be minimum for the high frequency application, but for the simple application it may be 800 500 picofarad, something like this for simple application. But if you go to more 500, around 500 for simple application, you can use around 500 pf, 5 600 pf. But if you go to less pf, so it will be costly, and in there will be no use if you are using for simple application. So it will depend also, every parameters depend on parameter or your application where you are using the diode. Okay, then this is the mounting type. So we will use SMT surface mount. So surface mount is show the 56. So here the package case, you don't need to select the package case. You package case need to select. So you can select here SMT package. These are SMT package. So whatever you have selected surface mount, you have to select here SMT package. Otherwise, there will be mismatching and it will show zero resistance. So you have to select, these are the SMT package also. You need to select. You will have to find out these. Otherwise, it is showing 0. you have to find out which package is available at 1 volt, 1 ampere forward current, and 50 volt. You have to select. By selection you have to search. So I clear it, otherwise it will not show resistance. Now it is showing 56. Now supplier device package, you don't need to take tension about this. Whatever package you select, it will select automatically this. Temperature matter. Temperature is also matter for which application you are you want to select the component. For automotive there will be more temperature, for commercial will be minus 25 to 125 degrees Celsius, yeah, more than. So this is a general simple general temperature range. It is not showing in this range it is not showing. You will have to find out the right range. If you if you have defined your you have already selected your range from for your project, and that component is not showing in this, so you can mail dg key I want this component in this range. Otherwise you can go to Mauser site also. I will make the video on Mauser, how to select the component Mauser. Right now I clear it. I see the which is present, it is not showing any component. I will have to search. So by selection these you will have to select. So I clear it here, otherwise it will not show component. So I all parameter I selected, and some parameters I did not select because it will take some time. So now I can apply the filter. After all selection all the parameters, you can apply filter, and then it will show the component based on your parameter selection below. So now it is showing. So manufacturer we did not care. This is Diode Incorporated. These are the very high brand on semiconductor, very good brand. And these are the price and description. Diode, general purpose 50 volt. We had selected 50 volt reverse voltage and 1 ampere forward current. So it is showing, and it will show all in all diode. This in all diode it will show, and these are the price, quantity available. These are the price and minimum quantity. They are saying that we will not supply you less than 5000, and it is saying that I can supply you one diode also, and this is saying like this. But don't need to afraid. They also can supply the minimum value. And this is packaging come automatically. We did not select. Tape reel is general, and series we did not select, don't care about this. And part status we had selected active, so it is active. Always select active here, it should not be obsolete. And diode type standard we had selected this, and voltage reverse 50 volt, and current 1 ampere, and forward voltage means when the current increase, the forward voltage also increase to 1 volt at 1 ampere. So it is showing in all diode same, it will show as per our requirement. And reverse speed we had selected this more than 500 nanosecond, so on 200 milliampere. And reverse cycle time देखो, this is 2 microsecond to 15 nanosecond. It is showing. It is depend on the brand and diode, especially it is depend on manufacturer. So someone having the 50 nanosecond, someone having, they did not give this 35 nanosecond, and 2 microsecond. And now leakage current is very less. You can see here 5 microampere. For battery backup you should select it nano ampere, picoampere, because there will be, otherwise there will be more loss of the battery, waste of the battery charge. So capacitance, it selected automatically, we did not select. It is good, it is 15 pf. It is good for good selection for 1 megahertz. It is showing it will provide the 115 pf at 1 megahertz and 4 volt. It is showing like the 6 pf also. For simple application you can choose the more capacitance, and here is the mounting type, surface mounting, and it is here showing the SMD type, SMD package. You can also change it. It is showing this. It will provide you different SMD package. That's why I did not select their SMD package, because different manufacturer having the different SMD package at the same parameters. So you don't need to select, just select their surface mount. And here also it is showing package, supplier package showing, and temperature it is showing now automatically, but there it was not showing the any component quality. So it is also having the good temperature range, so it also showed it automatically. So you don't need to take tension about temperature. It's commercial, this is the commercial range, and it is more than commercial range, and if you go to more, then you can select more. So this is the selection of diode. So I hope you know the selection of diode. You got to know the selection of diode, and I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please like my channel, subscribe, and press the bell icon, because at different type of component I am going to take this type, I am going to bring this type of video. So be with my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.